Hello guys, once again I am Javed and today we are going to talk about 10 benefits of active listening. So before going further about the benefit, let's understand first what is active listening. So active listening is nothing but it is just giving complete focus to the speaker about understanding of the message, information and responding thoughtfully. So this is about active listening. Now let's discuss about the benefits of active listening. So guys, the first benefit is it helps to build connection. Yes, if you are an active listener, you are listening somebody with full attention, so it will give him confidence. And because of that confidence, he will feel comfortable. And later on, there will be a good connection between that speaker and you. So the second benefit is it also helps to build trust. If the speaker is aware that you are an active listener, so he will be very confident about that you are not going to interrupt him in between, and that's why he will be more confident, and after finishing that speech he will aware about that you are one of the active listener. That's why he will respect you, as well as there will be a trust between you and as well as on the with the speaker. And it also helps generally when we talk with the new person, new customer and new clients, there it also helps to build trust because it is our just first meeting. So if you are an active listener, it is going to help even though with your new customer as well. The third benefit is it also helps you to identify and solve the problems. Guys, if you are an active listener, so you will understand what the speaker is talking about, and based on the information you will identify the problem and you will be able to solve that problem. The fourth and very important point is it also helps you to increase your knowledge and information about particular things. Suppose the speaker is talking about something which you are not aware of, so if you will listen him carefully, so definitely it will enhance your knowledge and information in that particular sector. The fifth important point is it also helps to avoid those chances where you can miss some critical information. Guys, it may happen that you are attending a very important seminar or very important meeting, but just because you are not attentive enough, and you might miss something which may help you in your future, or it might give you some losses because you have not understand that thing which may help you in that particular subject or topic. And the sixth benefit is it also helps you to understand quickly. You can be a quick learner. Guys, suppose you are listening someone actively, so the speaker doesn't have to repeat that particular thing and explain you again and again. In the very first attempt you will understand the thing, so that will also help you to become a quick learner. And the seventh important thing is it also helps to improve your confidence as well. Suppose you are listening to any person about any topic and you are giving him full attention, so you will understand the whole thing which he is explaining. So because of that you will get some confidence about that particular topic, and whenever that speaker will ask you anything, you will be confident enough to reply. Eighth important benefit of active listening is it also helps to build a rapport. When you will be an active listener to any speaker and you will promptly reply whatever question he will ask, definitely your rapport comparative to other listeners will be on the higher side. So it also helps to build a rapport with the speaker if you are an active listener. Ninth and very important point is it also helps you to avoid conflicts or resolve conflicts. Many times because of some misunderstanding we get stuck in the conflicts. Even some other people might stuck in the conflicts, but you are an active listener, so you can understand that particular person, and based on your active listening, understanding, you can resolve that conflict. Last but not the least, it also helps you to become more patient, become more stressless. When you are actively listening somebody, so your mind will be totally relaxed. You will not think about anything else. That's why your mind will be in the total peace, and it will also help you to become a patient person. So that's it guys about the active listening and the benefits. Hope you would like it.